Guys, today I have something pretty cool to show you. These are the OpenRock S open-ear air conduction earbuds from OneOdio. Now, this type of earbud is taking the market by storm. Why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, I've reviewed a ton of earbuds geared towards pretty much everything. Some are good, some not so good, and some, you know what, are okay. But you know what, it always piques my interest when you have a premium brand who come to market with diverse products. And you know what, these OpenRock S earbuds from OneOdio are just that. Now, I say premium as OneOdio make a ton of different premium audio products, and I've had the pleasure to review quite a few of them. And you know what, I'm always pleasantly surprised. Now, before we get into it, OneOdio sent me these open-ear sports earbuds OpenRock S's to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some paperwork. Now, this is going to show you all the features and functions, and you know what, there's also a separate charging guide. We then have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and we kind of get to the main event, the earbuds. Now, the first thing to note, this case is pretty big. In fact, the OpenRock Pro earbuds that I reviewed recently were in quite a chunky case, and whilst this case is long, it's fairly thin in comparison. So you know what, not too difficult to carry around. On the back, guys, we've got the USB-C charging port, and on the front we've got an LED that kind of shows pairing and charge status. Now, open up the case and you can see the two earbuds in all their glory. Again, fairly big when you compare them to normal earbuds, but given how these earbuds work, they kind of have to be a bit more substantial. Now, at the heart of these OpenRock S earbuds lies their innovative open ear design. And you know what, these are meticulously crafted to allow ambient sound to seamlessly blend with your audio playback. Now, unlike traditional earbuds that isolate you from your surroundings, these OpenRock S's let you stay connected to the world whilst immersing yourself in crystal clear sound quality. Now, whether you're jogging, cycling or whatever for a busy city, or you're in a busy office environment or whatever, these earbuds offer the perfect balance of audio immersion and situational awareness. Crafted with comfort in mind, the OpenRock S earbuds feature an ergonomic design that conforms effortlessly to the contours of your ears. The lightweight construction ensures a secure and snug fit, so they're not going to fall off irrespective of whatever sport you're doing, and that allows you to enjoy all that extended listening without any discomfort or fatigue. So you know what, say goodbye to bulky over-ear headphones and hello to sleek minimalist audio on the go. Now, innovation doesn't stop there. The OpenRock S earbuds boast Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring that you're always going to get a stable and reliable connection to whatever your device is. Now, whether you're streaming music from your smartphone, tablet, laptop, whatever, audio is lag-free and uninterrupted. Now, sound-wise, guys, these sound good. They utilize something called tube-based technology, which for a set of conduction earbuds is something of a marvel, as normally bass in this type of design of earbud is pretty non-existent. Now, that's not to say that this bass is going to blow your brains out. You know what? It's not, as this design doesn't really allow for that. But compared to others in this class, the bass was very acceptable. You also have 16.2mm dynamic drivers, so the mids are high, the volume is good, and you know what, when you've got this open ear design, volume has to be good because you're always competing with the surrounding sounds of your environment. Now, I've tried a few phone calls as well with these, and you know what, everybody that I called said that I sounded very clear, and that's down to the 4 big